My name is Brockington, and I am the 2017 Furman Metropolitan Fellow. This summer, I am interning at both MSNBC and Discovery Communications. I actually found out that I got a phone call from the HR department. So just when I was getting over, the excitement, that's when I got the next email saying I was offered a position at MSNBC. And this was amazing because at the time I didn't know whether I wanted to go straight into the business side of a media company or if I wanted to go into the news side of the company. It just all made perfect sense to take advantage of this opportunity to have a whole support system of alumni just to make sure that I'm having a smooth transition into getting experience in an internship in a city that I love. I'm still just so humbled to even know that they selected me for this fellowship.